Flowyline Design, we provide bugle head screws designed specifically for secure and efficient tabletop installation. These screws allow for fast, smooth assembly, ensuring a flush finish with the surface. Method 1. Pre-drill a hole with a diameter of 1/8 of an inch or less and a depth of 3/16 of an inch. This will ensure the screw fits perfectly and reduces the risk of breakage. Next, insert the screw and drill it directly into the hole. This method is safe, secure, and protects the screw from breaking. Method 2. If you prefer to drill the screw directly without pre-drilling, make sure to drill slowly. Drill a little bit, then reverse the drill slightly to release tension, and repeat this process until the screw is fully tight. This method allows you to avoid excess pressure that can cause the screw to snap. Important: never drill the screw in one continuous motion. Doing so can cause the screw to break under too much pressure, leading to damage. Follow these steps for a smooth installation every time. Bugle head screws are designed for fast, clean work, ensuring a perfect finish for your project.